In a world filled with uncertainty where dreams often seem out of reach, there exists a hidden power. A power that can transform lives and attract unimaginable abundance. Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the enigmatic world of the law of attraction. Today, we have a special treat in store for you. We will unveil the signs of the law of attraction as revealed by the legendary Bob Proctor himself. Picture this. You set goals, you visualize success, but somehow it feels like something is missing. You yearn for a deeper understanding of how the universe conspires to bring about the manifestation of your desires. That missing piece lies within the signs of the law of attraction. Have you ever experienced synchronicity? Those unexplainable moments that seem too coincidental to be labeled as mere chance. In this video, we'll dive into the art of recognizing and interpreting synchronicity signs. But we won't stop there. We will unlock the hidden wisdom of the universe and reveal the transformative secrets that will allow you to attract only the good things in life. Imagine harnessing the abundance of the universe, where your dreams become a tangible reality. It's not only possible, but it's within your reach. So, if you're ready to uncover the signs of the law of attraction, understand synchronicity, unlock the wisdom of the universe, and harness the abundance that awaits, then I urge you to stay tuned until the end of this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Join our community of seekers and be a part of this incredible journey towards a life of profound manifestation. Get ready for an eye-opening exploration of the universe's secrets. Welcome to a world where the law of attraction reigns supreme. Let's begin. Bob Proctor, a well-known advocate of the law of attraction, has emphasized the significance of understanding and truly believing in this powerful concept. He reveals that at the core of the law of attraction lies the understanding that everything in the universe, including our thoughts and feelings, is made up of energy that moves at various speeds. Let's discuss the first sign, repeated numbers. Have you ever experienced the phenomenon of repeatedly seeing the same numbers? It turns out this could be more than just a coincidence. The universe has a clever way of communicating with us, and one of those ways is through repeated numbers. In our daily lives, the universe sends us signals in various forms, and sometimes it chooses numbers to grab our attention. These repeated numbers hold a significance that goes beyond their numerical value. They serve as a message, a gentle nudge from the universe, reminding us of the incredible power at play. When you begin seeing repeated numbers like 2, 3, 4, take note, because this is a sign that your energy is aligning with the energy of the universe. It's an indication that your desires are drawing closer to fulfillment. It's as if the universe is saying, keep going, you're on the right track. It's important to trust the process and maintain a positive and open mindset towards these signs of repeated numbers. Embrace them with good emotions, knowing that they are guiding you towards the manifestation of your deepest desires. By doing so, you establish a stronger connection with the universe and allow its abundant energy to flow effortlessly into your life. The second fascinating sign that what you desire to attract is on its way, as highlighted by Bob Proctor, is experiencing loss. This loss can take many forms, whether it's a love of your life, money, or even anything small, as misplacing your diary. According to Proctor, these losses serve as an indication of a releasing of unwanted energy. When we let go of something, it creates space for new things and experiences to enter our lives. It's like making room for the universe to bring in what aligns with our desires. This process of loss and cleansing can be quite challenging and uncomfortable, as we often become attached to the things and people we are familiar with. However, Bob Proctor encourages individuals to embrace these losses and see them as opportunities for growth and transformation. Now, let's move on to the third sign, unexpected messages from old friends or close acquaintances might be a surprise message from the universe. Have you ever received a sudden message from a long-lost friend or someone you haven't spoken to in a while? These unexpected encounters may hold a hidden message from the universe itself. For instance, let's say you receive a message from an old friend inviting you to an event or sharing a personal achievement. It could be the universe's way of showing you that you are on the right path. These unexpected messages serve as a reminder that you are not alone on your journey. The universe is working behind the scenes, orchestrating connections and opportunities to support your dreams. So, pay attention to these surprise messages from old friends or close acquaintances, as they could be the universe's way of guiding you towards your goals. Sign number 4. Have you ever experienced a surge of emotions when you think about your dreams and desires? These intense emotions serve as a powerful sign that you are in alignment with what you truly want. For example, imagine feeling an overwhelming sense of joy, excitement, or even a hint of anticipation when you visualize your dreams manifesting. These emotions are not just random feelings. They hold great significance. They are an indication that you are on the same wavelength as your dreams. When you feel a deep connection to your desires, it signals that you are in harmony with the energy of the universe. It's like a cosmic confirmation that what you long for is already in the process of materializing. So embrace and honor these emotions as they are guiding you towards the fulfillment of your dreams. Sign number 5. Seeing butterflies or any other rare to see bird. These magnificent creatures symbolize transformation and serve as a powerful hint that your dreams are on the brink of coming true. Just like a caterpillar undergoes a metamorphosis to become a butterfly, seeing these delicate creatures reminds us that we too can experience a profound transformation in our lives. Imagine you're going about your day and suddenly a butterfly flutters by, gracefully dancing in the air. Pay attention to this magical moment as it signifies that your dreams are in the process of manifesting. This beautiful symbol reminds you to keep believing in your dreams as they are closer than you may think. Moving on to the 6th and final sign, obstructions and obstacles are tests that help us grow stronger and become more determined. This is the common sign we witness but just ignore. These obstacles may seem like roadblocks, but in reality, they hold immense value. They are tests from the universe designed to help us grow and develop our inner strength. Think of it this way. When you face obstacles, it's an opportunity for you to rise above and show your determination. It's a chance to prove to yourself and the universe that you are committed to your dreams, no matter what stands in your way. Friends, here we conclude our video. Through our exploration, we have come to understand that good things are always available to us from the universe. The abundance we seek is within reach, waiting for us to tap into it. Our thoughts and feelings hold immense power in determining what we receive. By cultivating positive and aligned thoughts, we can attract the very things we desire. The universe is constantly responding to these vibrations, saying yes to our dreams and co-creating with us to bring forth manifestation. When we shift our perspective and believe in our worthiness of abundance, we open ourselves up to limitless possibilities. If you found value in this video, we kindly ask you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. We would love to have you join our community and continue exploring the wonders of manifestation together. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. We would love to hear about your own experiences and insights. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and embrace the beauty of co-creating with the universe. Thank you for being a part of this transformative experience.